Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi and we are continuing with our topic of discussion, and the topic is acids, bases and indicators. And at this point we are going to look at the effect of acids on substances. So when you talk of the effects of acids on substances, we have some gases that are acidic that are emitted by industrial processes. We have gases such as sulfur 4 oxide. We have a gas like nitrogen 4 oxide. Those gases are acidic. And when they are released into the atmosphere, they have an effect. Those gases have an effect, and that effect is sometimes negative. For example, if an acidic gas is released to the atmosphere, it combines with the rainwater to form acidic rain. And acidic rain causes the corrosion of the rooftops, especially those ones that are made of iron sheets. They become corroded. If the acid rain falls on plants, plants lose their leaves, a process called defoliation. If the acidic rain falls on soil, it lowers the pH of the soil, leading to making the soil, or makes the soil unsuitable to support plants. All those are effects that come as a result of acidic gases being released to the atmosphere. So you can say that acidic gases include, we have sulfur 4 oxide is an acidic gas, nitrogen 4 oxide. These are gases that we'll encounter later, much later. Even chlorine gas, etc. All those gases are acidic. So we are saying that when these gases are released to the atmosphere, they combine with rainwater to form acidic rain. Acidic rain, which has the following effects. The acidic rain has the following effects. A, causes corrosion of rooftops of buildings. So the buildings start getting corroded, especially the roofs, those that are made of iron sheets. So that can be as a result of the acidic rain. Acidic rain makes the soil acidic, hence unsuitable. It becomes unsuitable to support crops growth. So the crops are not able to do well. It also causes the leaching of minerals, thus lowering fertility, lowering soil fertility. So when the minerals are leached deep down into the soil, or they are washed deep down into the soil, the soil fertility is compromised, or the soil fertility is lowered. So all these are some of the effects that come as a result of the acidic rain, and this acidic rain comes from the acidic gases that are released to the atmosphere by industrial processes.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.